Elmo Grand Theft Auto Part 2. But the route is doing, Mickey, huh? What you doing, huh? What, you wanna say something? You wanna say something? You wanna say something? I'll make mouse stew with you. I'll make mouse stew. We gotta do a little surgery this time. You're dead. Who's fatty over here, huh? What you laughing about? What are you laughing about? Look stupid with yourself. It's your crunched in eye. Your flabby jacket. Oh, look, you gotta kill them all. Who else? I hear cookies crunching, huh? Hear cookies crunching. We're gonna play a little dart game? What? What? I see you hiding. What? I see you hiding. I feel unstoppable. Here I go. Here I go. Oh. Oh. Alright, so I got over it. My leg's killing me, man. Ah! Oh boy. I'm gonna pile them up in one pile. Boy, I really hurt my neck, man. Yeah. Like they do in World War II and stuff. Pile up the bodies. Man, my neck is hurting, man. Oh, I think I sprained my leg too. And we got Mickey over here. There you go. Now what you do is you actually throw on the water, but you can lay out the pile. So bye-bye, suckers. Subscribe. I'm Elmo's son.